Good morning, my dear children. Welcome back to our maths class. In the last class, we have discussed fundamental theorem of arithmetic. That means every composite number can be expressed as the product of its prime factors. Okay, and we learned how to factorize positive integers like that. Okay, in this class, we need to discuss two important terms. Okay, that is HCF and LCM. These two words are very familiar for mathematics students, especially grade 10 students. Okay, even though it is very familiar, we need to revise it because we have to learn an important result in this chapter. That is, if A and B are two positive integers, then product of A and B, A into B is equal to HCF of AB into LCM of AB. Okay, this is very important result and you can expect at least one question, okay, regarding this result. So it's very important. So to find this, to learn this result, we need to know how to find HCF and LCM. Okay, so let's discuss or let's revise HCF and LCM first. Okay, after that we will discuss the result. Okay, dear children, let's revise what is HCF and LCM. Product of smallest power of each common prime factor, that is HCF. Okay, product of smallest power of each common prime factor. Okay, then LCM, product of greatest power of each prime factor, not common prime factor. Okay, product of greatest power of each prime factor. Okay, let's discuss by using one example. Okay, dear children, let's have one question. Find HCF and LCM of 6, 72 and 120. There are three numbers. We need to find their HCF and LCM. Okay, using prime factorization method. Okay, this is the question, and we need to factorize 6, 72 and 120. Okay, then what is 6? Okay, no need of doing any factorization. 6 is equal to 2 into 3. 2 into 3. 6 is equal to 2 into 3. Then 72. 72, factorize 72. 2, then in 7, 3 times 12. How many times? 6 times. Then again 2, 1, 8. Again 2, 9. Then 3, 3. Okay, so 72 is equal to what? 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Okay, that is 2, 1, 2, 3, 3 times. 2 cube into, okay, 2 cube into 3 square. Okay, the next step, which is number 120. So just factorize 120 also. Okay, 2, so 60, again 2, 30, 2, 15, then 5, 3. Okay, so 120 is equal to what? 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 3. That is 2, how many times? 1, 2, 3. 2 cube into, then 3 into, then what? 5. Okay, so 6 is equal to 2 into 3, 72 is equal to 2 cube into 3 square, 120 is equal to 2 cube into 3 into 5. Okay, so factorization finished. Then HCF. HCF is equal to HCF of what? 6, then 72 and 120 is equal to, HCF means what? A product of smallest power of each common prime factor. So first we need to select common, which are the common prime factors. Okay, here 2, 3, here 2, 3, here 2, 3, 5. Okay, so 5 is not common because only in 120. 5 is there in only 120. So 2, 3 is common prime factor. Okay, so we selected common prime factors 2 and 3. Okay, then product of what? Smallest power of then smallest power of each common prime factor. So 2 and 3 are the common prime factors. Next we need to select the smallest power of each prime factor. Here 2 into 3, that is 2 raised to 1. Okay, power is 1. Here power is 3. 2 cube, so power is 3, here 3. So for to find HCF, select smallest power. Okay, here 2 cube, here 2 cube, here 2 raised to 1. So select 2 raised to 1. Okay, see, to find HCF of 672 and 120, 2 and 3 are the common prime factors, and we selected 2 and 3 as common prime factors. Okay, then selected from 2, 2 raised to 1. Okay, then from 3, which is the smallest power, here 3, here 3 square, here 3. So power, smallest power is 3. 2 raised to 1, 3 raised to 1. So 6. 6 is the HCF. Then LCM. LCM of 672, 120. It is the greatest product of greatest power of each prime factor, not common. Okay, so to find the LCM, consider all the prime factors. 2, 3, here 2, 3, here 2, 3, here 2, 3, 5. So we need 2, 3 and 5. Okay, for 2, which is the greatest power, here 2, 2 cube, 2 cube. So select greatest power 2 cube into, for 3, here 3, here 3, 3 square. So select greatest power 3 square. Okay, then there is no 5, there is no 5, here only 5. So select 5. So 2 cube 8, 8 into 3 square 9 into 5, that is 8 into 5, 40, 40 into 9, 360. So HCF of 672 and 120 is 6. 6 and the LCM of 672 and 120 is 360. Okay, this is the method how to find HCF and LCM of 2 or 3 numbers. Here 3. Okay. Okay, dear children, let's discuss the result. Okay, for any positive integers, A and B, HCF of AB into LCM of AB is equal to A into B. That is product of two numbers. Okay, for any positive integers, any two positive integers. Okay, any two positive integers here, and HCF of AB into LCM of AB is equal to A into B. Okay, we can discuss this by using an example. Okay, before that, I just explain. See, this is for any two positive integers. Okay, if it is three integers, HCF of if 3 in A, B and C. Okay, if any positive integers A, B and C, HCF of A, B, C into LCM of A, B, C is equal to A into B into C. Is it possible? No, it is not possible. Okay, only for two positive integers this result is true. Okay, so just note this. Okay, let's go to an example. Okay, dear students, this is the question. Find the LCM and HCF of 6 and 20. 6 and 20 and verify that LCM into HCF is equal to product of two numbers. Okay, we need to, first we need to find LCM and HCF, then we need to find the result. HCF into LCM is equal to product of two numbers. Okay, so let's start. So our numbers are 6 and 20. So just factorize, first factorization process. Okay, 6, for 6, 2, 3. Okay, we know 6 is equal to 2 into 3. Okay, powers are 1. Then 20, 2, 10, again 2, 5, okay, 1. So then 20. 20 is equal to what? 2 into 5 into 2. That is 2 square into 5. Okay, so this is factorization of 6 and factorization of 20. Then HCF. HCF of 6 and 20 equal to what? Which is the to find HCF, select only common prime factors. Here 2, 3, here 2, 5. So there is no 2, sorry, there is no 3 and there is no 5. So the only common prime factor is 2. So here 2 raised to 1 and 2 square. So which is the smallest power? Which one has smallest power? 2 raised to 1. So the only common prime factor is 2. 2 and the smallest power is 2 raised to 1. Okay. So 2 is the HCF. Then LCM. LCM of 620 is equal to what? To find LCM, we need all the prime factors, okay, and take the greatest power. So here 2, 3, 2 square, 5 square. So 2, for 2, highest power is 2 square, then 3, 1, then 5 raised to 1. That is 2 square, 4, 4 into 3, 12, 12 into 5, 60. So HCF is 2, LCM is 60. Okay, so we found LCM and HCF. Next we need to verify the result. Okay, what is the result? What is the result? LCM into HCF is equal to product of two numbers, that is product of two numbers. Okay, this is our result. We need to verify this. Okay, so LCM into HCF what? First take LHS, this part. Okay, LCM into HCF is equal to 2 into 60. 2 into 60, that is 120. Okay, then product of two numbers. Product of two numbers means product of two numbers equal to, which are the two numbers? 6 and 20. 6 and 20, that is 120. So LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, LCM into HCF 120, product of two numbers also 120. So hence verified. Okay, so this is the method how to solve this kind of questions. Clear? Okay, dear children, let's have another question. Find HCF of 96 and 404. Okay, by the prime factorization method, hence find their LCM. Okay, we need to find, first we need to find HCF of 96 and 404. Okay, by the prime factorization method. So we need to factorize 96 and 404 first. Okay, so let's factorize first 96, 2, then 4, 8, then again 2, 4, then again 2, 12, then again 2, 6, again 2, 3. So 96 is equal to what? 96 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 raised to 5 into 3. Okay, so then next 404 is equal to what? Let's factorize 404. 4, 2, 2. Using primes only, we need to factorize. Okay, so 2. So here 2, 0, 2, again 2, 1, 0, 1. Okay, 101 is a prime number, so we cannot factorize more. So 2 into 2, 2 square into 101. Okay, so first we need to find HCF. HCF of 96, 404 is equal to what? Select, to find HCF, select common prime factor. Common, here 2, 3, here 2, 101. So common prime factor is 2. Okay, so 2 is the one and only common prime factor. Then select the smallest power. Here 2 raised to 5, here 2 square. So smallest power is 2 square. So HCF of 96 and 404 is 4. Okay, so we found HCF. The next, hence find their LCM. Okay, so using the result, that is HCF into LCM is equal to product of two numbers. Okay, that is 96 into what? 96 and 404. This is the result. Using this result, we can find LCM very easily. How? Here LCM is equal to what? 96 into 404 by HCF. So LCM is equal to 96 into 404 divided by HCF. HCF of what? 96 and 404. Clear? So just substitute 96 into 404 divided by HCF what? 4. Okay. Okay. So LCM of 96, 404 is equal to 96 into 404 by 4. So cut 4 and so 101. Okay. So 96 into 101, 9696. 9696. So LCM is equal to 9696. So if we know HCF, we can apply this result to find LCM. Okay, same method we can apply vice versa also. That means if we know LCM, we can find HCF by using this result. How to find HCF? HCF is equal to what? A into B, that is product of numbers divided by LCM. Okay, so we can use this result to find this type of, to solve this type of questions. Okay, so dear children, today we have discussed one important problem, one important result. Okay, that is LCM into HCF is equal to product of two numbers. Okay, then we have discussed three types of questions. First one, find HCF, LCM by factorization method. Okay, second one, verification type question, and third one, this type of questions. Okay, so it's the time to wind up our today's class. I hope you all have enjoyed the class. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.